Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you. And this is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. And this one's called AZHA or AZHA Perfumes. AZHA Perfumes. You can find these AZHA perfumes under £20 in United Kingdom, especially if you go to Notino. Other places they are a little bit more expensive. This one in particular is called Ocean Breeze and is edited Perfume for him. So that intrigued me because first of all, majority of fragrances from Middle East are unisex. This one says for him, for men. And also is Ocean Breeze. With that name, I had to get it and see how it is, because I love that genre of ocean, anything to do with ocean or sea, watery lakes, rivers. Anyway, so this one is called Butterfly Nebula Collection. Butterfly Nebula Collection. Wow. Okay. So, but before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, hit those buttons. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video with others. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. Very pretty box. As you can see, the theme of seaside, which is blue and white, is captured well here. It's got like a wave picture in front. Very nice, very pretty. As always, attention to details with Middle Eastern fragrances is good, especially for the price. Sorry about the noise. Okay, very nice. Let's see the bottle. Okay, good looking bottle too. Okay, ooh, magnetic cap as well. Wow. Okay, good looking bottle, very heavy bottle, magnetic cap, very modern atomizer, beautiful, very good quality. It says AZHA Perfumes, Ocean Breeze for him, and let's go with atomizer. Very good atomizer, beautiful. So far so good, everything is beautifully done. Okay, here we go. First sniff, first impression for AZHA Perfumes, and this is Ocean Breeze for him. Edited Perfume, 100 ml. In United Kingdom, as I said, if you go to Notino, you can find it under £20. And let's see. Oh yes, very good. So first thing it hits you is the citrus. So it's very citrusy. At the moment it's like bergamot, lime, lemon. So it's very citrusy. Big aromatic lavender. Lavender is massive in here. It's very lavendery, it's very aromatic, it's very uplifting, it's very inviting. It's the combination of lemon, bergamot, lime, probably a little bit of grapefruit in here, and that lavender making it very easygoing, very inviting, very summery, very ocean breezy, as he says. It reminds you of the seaside straight away. You know, when it hits me, first thing you took me to the seaside, to the beach. People are drinking cocktails and relaxing on the beach and just enjoying themselves. Very good. It's so captivating. Very woody in the base, so it sounds it smells like cedar, so it's very cedary, but the woods are very clean here, very clean wood. It's about muskiness to it as well, just give it that interesting depth. But again, the musk in here is very clean, so everything in here is quite clean overall. Yeah, it's very aromatic, it's very citrusy, it's very inviting, it's very easygoing. It's one of those no-brainer, just put it on and go. The smell is very good, exquisite. This is not unique, it's done before many times. This genre of aromatic, woody, citrusy fragrance is done hundreds of times, but for a price, no, you can't find similar smell and quality for the price. Yeah, usually with this kind of smell you're thinking of 70-80 quid plus. And this is the good thing about Middle Eastern fragrances, that they bring you these beautiful fragrances but for much lower prices, and this is done it to perfection. So when you smell it, first thing it will take you to Italy, it will take you to Spain, it will take you to Greece, it will take you to Mediterranean, it will take you to beach, it will take you to anywhere that is a sandy beach with a beautiful nature, and the water here is, that's about on the saltiness as well. Yeah, given a tinge of saltiness, not much. Overall, it's not a huge salty fragrance, but it has a hint of salt to it, so making it again interesting that it's like a seaside, sea breeze. As he says, ocean breeze. Yes, this is a correct interpretation or correct recreation of that smell of sea breeze and ocean breeze and things like that. Very good. I highly enjoying it at the moment. Is filling the room. So let's see how is the performance. If the performance is good, we have a huge banger on our hand, because the smell is beautiful, quality amazing, the presentation very good, the price is beautiful. For under £20 you cannot beat it, you cannot ask for better quality. So everything so far is so good. Just one thing is we have to wait and see, and that is the performance. The performance is good or even acceptable, then we have a good banger on our hand. But for first impression, first sniff, yes, I'm loving it. I highly recommend it, at least for the first sniff, first impression. Yeah, beautiful. So citrus, aromatic, little bit of floral, woody, little bit of saltiness to it. Definitely reminds you of ocean, sea breeze, seaside and things like that. For the age, this is ageless, anybody can wear it from 15 to 150. In terms of sex, it's actually sexless, even though it says for him, but easily ladies can wear it, because this is just citrus, aromatic, woody, watery, little bit of salty fragrance. So overall it's not anything to give it too much masculinity, but if you like this kind of fragrance, it doesn't mean anything anyway. So for the season, definitely better suited for warmer weather. This is just screams hot weather, warmer weather. Season for the occasion, anything, formal, informal, day, night, special occasion, and relaxing, just casual, anything you can wear it. So for that term, it's very versatile. But the best thing about it is the price. Mamma mia, under £20 for such a beautiful smell, for such a good quality. And it says Eau de Perfume. Let's see if it behaves like Eau de Perfume. And I will let you know in the next video. Okay guys, thank you very much as always for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you like to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are ultra beast mode. Very artistic, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the description as well. Thank you very much and see you later. Bye.